Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, then don't forget to check all the previously made videos which will be listed in the description box. So I am filming an unboxing video. I'm sorry, that was my phone. Yes, I'm filming an unboxing video. Recently I got a very bright, huge, beautiful ring light which I'm so proud of myself because I don't know, I just love the setup. So I'm actually filming with that light. So I'm going to do the unboxing of the light. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you find it useful. So guys, this is the packaging and I'm going to open the ring light first. I'm actually very excited and this is so huge. I don't know how to open this. Like, there's no opening at all. Okay, they have used this boris, I think. I don't know what is it called in English, but हाँ, जैसे वो राइस की बोरी नहीं आती वैसी वाली डाल के they have packed. There I'm able to see my ring light.
Close till I get up.
This is how the ring light box looks. Super excited to open this. This is very huge. Oh, they have a handle also here. They have a bag inside this. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's huge! This is like bigger than my face, bigger than my camera, everything. That's huge. So that's it, yeah. Oh, we have a cord also for this so that we can connect it with the power supply, and there are cords for camera also. I'm glad. I'm super excited to just connect it. Let me just switch it on. So this is the light, guys. You must be thinking why I'm sitting here. So that my switchboard is near, and oh my god, this is how the light looks. Wow, this is so beautiful. It like literally lit up my room. Oh my god, this is crazy. And we have like color changing. So this is the yellow light. Oh my god. This is the white, and we can dim the light. Wow, so beautiful. I'm like excited. Wow, this is crazy. Let me just switch it off. Yeah, this is crazy. And they have given us the connector, one for the mobile phone and one for the camera, so you can use both the things, camera and the phone. So now guys, it's time for us to open the stand for the ring light. Our cardboard box, and this is how we have to open it. Here comes the stand. Oh wow, it's a very heavy and sturdy one. I don't know how to open this. This is so heavy. This is literally made of metal. The one which I had was like the older one was like some fiber, I guess, fiber or plastic. Yeah, this is like metal and it's so heavy and tight. I'm not able to open it. Maybe, and the place is also an issue. So this is how it looks, and this is the top. So yeah, after I set up, I'll give you one shot how it looks with the camera, everything on the ring light and the stand. So this is how it looks, guys, when it is completely set up. This is the stand, and this is the ring light, and yeah, if you can also connect it with the power. So this is the cord for that. That's it, guys. It looks like this once it is completely set up. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. If you like this, then please hit on the like button. If you want me to do all these kind of videos or any particular product, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to me. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye. Love you all.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.